Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to edit audio spectrum in Capcut PC. So this is the result, and in order for you to add this, what you're going to do is you have to import that video and then drag it over here. Now, in order for you to add spectrum icon or effect, then what you're going to do is you have to look for import, scroll down, and you should see this stock material right here. Once you tap this, you will see this green screen, and all you have to do is to look for this spectrum effect icon or symbol right here. You have to scroll down till you see exactly like this one right here. Okay, this one. You have to click download. You have to download it first. Once you see the plus icon, that means you can now use this and drag this above your video. Okay, so in order to remove this green screen right here, so let me do it again. What you're going to do is to tap this green screen and then go to video. Locate this remove bg right here. And then you have to look for this Chrome key. Tap this one. Click this pencil icon, tap the green color. Okay, and then go to intensity, or if you want to add intensity or shadow. You can drag, adjust the size, and place it wherever you want. And basically, that's it. Now, this is how you edit audio spectrum in CapCut PC. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next videos.